the super affiliate funnel, and how you can get on this 1 hour webinar, actually less than an hour, at 8 p.m. this evening, and learn how to build a residual income starting at 5K, 10K, 20, 30, 40K. Folks, it's passive income. It's residual income, the new global economy. And yes, folks, it's Paulie B coming at you once again, right outside the Big Apple, New York City, talking about a super affiliate funnel, the money capital of the world, New York City, where Frank Sinatra said it best, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. And folks, I am excited about this super affiliate funnel. I've been using it myself. It works like a charm, even for those in Paulie B's inner circle. Folks, I would love to sponsor you, mentor you, be your mindset coach, and join Paulie B's inner circle. When joining, you will have me in your first day on a live Zoom, free of charge. You have me 7 days a week. What is better than that? And folks, this webinar, you don't want to miss it. The super affiliate funnel, put together by none other than David Deckel, an experienced marketer for the last 10 years plus, who has given us his Mona Lisa, his masterpiece. This super affiliate funnel has 7 income streams, folks. 7 income streams. One of which is the Legacy Builder program. And why I am promoting this super affiliate funnel, not only because it's a free funnel, but for those of you who are having problems making sales with the Legacy Builder program and have not really refined the 2-hour workday, this is your answer. This funnel is your solution, because while waiting for those $900 commissions, you could use this funnel in your first week, second week, and earn commissions residual, building 1,000 a month, 2 up to 5, 10. Folks, this funnel is working for many of us. And my sponsor, who I joined under, Justin Burden, listen in, he joined the Legacy Builder program from this funnel. And now that he's using this free funnel to promote Legacy, he's making commissions. And the reason I believe that is so is because the templates from the Legacy Builder program, which are great, almost 50,000 people are using these same templates. So folks, the super affiliate funnel converts very well. And if you're still struggling to make money online, whether it be the Legacy Builder program or any other course or program, this is your answer. The Super Affiliate Funnel by David Deckel, 2025 will be your best year. Disclaimer, not everyone is going to make the money we're making, because there's 2 kinds of people. And I love what Henry Ford, what he said, there are people who believe they can, or those who believe they can't, and you are right. Mindset, folks. It is all mindset. And if you believe and trust in God to provide for you, because he's gotten you this far, I'm talking to somebody right now, yes, he has gotten you this far, and he will take you the rest of the way, folks. So believe it, receive it, and believe in yourself. Folks, my name is Paulie B. I'm with the Legacy Builder program, now with the Super Affiliate Funnel. It's working like a charm, and it'll work for you as well. And you could stop living from paycheck to paycheck in this new global economy and start building your own stream of monthly income from home. And folks, I would like to now take you over to the super affiliate funnel. This is what you're first going to see when you see the funnel. It has a video from David Deckel, and there is David with his daughter. And I heard she is a content creator as well. And folks, here's the funnel. And it tells you all about it. Start here. $0 to use this funnel. It's free, folks. And it has a very high converting sales page. And this is converting better than the templates with the Legacy Builder program. So when you continue to the members area, this is what you'll have. And it'll have your name there. There's me, Paul, welcome. And it has videos, training videos that tell you all about each income stream. Now, you will have 2 affiliate links. One for the super affiliate funnel, and the next one where you'll be able to promote this recorded webinar every day. Yes, folks, every day at 8 p.m. this webinar is going to be held. And for those of you who want to see that webinar, it's in the description below. Also, barlettamarketing.com. For those who want to join outside of the funnel, go to barlettamarketing.com. And please, folks, do like, subscribe, leave any comments. I answer all comments. And your first income stream is Got Backup. This is $10 a month, folks. $10 a month. And this protects your data. This software protects your devices, your data, from any hackers or anyone who will come in and try to take or destroy those precious memories, your photos, any data you have. And the second income stream is SendShark. This is a email software that works like a charm. The third income stream is ROI Panel, Return on Investment Panel. And what this does is it tracks your content that you're putting out there, whether it be videos, posts, whatever it is, across social media or anywhere else. You could use this to help you to see what's working and what's not, and to double down on what's working. The fourth income stream, and I know you're happy to see this for those of you with the Legacy Builder program, and people are asking me, Paulie B, do I have to rejoin Legacy? No, of course not. If you are with the Legacy Builder program, you're going to want to put in your link here in this free funnel. You could start there, but I highly recommend joining all 7 income streams. And why is that? I'm glad you asked that question. Folks, you're not the only one who's going to be promoting this link. You're going to have David Deckel promoting for you. And for those who join under you, they're going to be promoting as well. And the reason why you want to join all 7 income streams is because if you don't, the person under you who has all 7, we call it roll-ups, folks. Say if you just join one income stream, the person who has joined on you all 7, those who are on top of you've joined all 7, those will be rolled up to them. So folks, as you build your team, you're going to have others promoting your link as well. Folks, this super affiliate funnel is genius. So let us go now to the fifth income stream, which is My Lead Gen Secret. This is $30 a month, and why I highly suggest this one is because every day you will receive 100 new leads. People who've raised their hand to join a BizUp opportunity, a work-from-home opportunity, fresh out of the oven. These leads will be given to you every day. So if you break it down, it's just $1 a day, 100 leads every day. That's 3,000 leads in 1 month. I have gotten 2 accounts, folks. 2 accounts is 6,200 every day. If you get your second account, yes, you'll get 200 every day. Folks, in a month's time, you can build up to over 10,000 leads on your email list. What is better than that for $30 a month? The next income stream is Udemy. And for those seasoned marketers who've been around a while, you'll know that Udemy is a place where you could purchase solo ads, faceless, and David Deckel will give you the ones that he's using as well. And last but not least, this software called M3 Inner Circle is an online software that mails out to thousands of emails each day on your behalf through multiple business opportunity member sites. It's a 100% automated way to get traffic to your link. Plus, you can build up a hefty monthly residual income with it. Now, folks, let me reiterate. With this super affiliate funnel, you're building residual income, except for the Legacy Builder program. That's a $900 one-time commission. But this funnel converts, folks, better than the templates of the Legacy Builder program. Folks, my lighting is a little bit off. Please bear with me. Hold 1 second, please. A little more light on the subject. How's that? Thank you. I had noticed that I didn't turn on my lighting. Folks, the Legacy Builder program, alongside the super affiliate funnel, works like a charm. I've tested it out. And after you sign up for this funnel, there's no building the funnel or anything else. It's a done-for-you funnel. The next thing you'll do is connect your autoresponder. And we highly recommend using SendShark. After doing that, setting up your system and your autoresponder set up, you click the link to Don't Forget to Advertise. And yes, I love this one. And David takes you through of let's getting some traffic. Folks, how to use My Lead Gen Secret, how to use Udemy solo ads, how to use M3 Inner Circle, and so on and so forth. He gives you his email swipes with the title and the description already done for you. These are highly converting. I've tested them alongside mine, and these convert better. Folks, this super affiliate funnel works. You want to go to the description, register for the 8 p.m. webinar. It's a must-see, folks. And again, my name is Paulie B, right outside the Big Apple, New York City. For inquiring minds, please give me a call, 862-658-2086. Again, that number is 862-658-2086. Would love to sponsor you, mentor you, be your mindset manifestation coach. For those of you on TikTok, Instagram, go to that bio, get some more info. Go to that bio, get some more info, and make it a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless.